How to turn on Snapchat Plus badge. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to turn on Snapchat Plus badge. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Snapchat app on your mobile phone and you have to get to your profile. So this is my account right here, and you can see I am getting this new option which is Snapchat Plus. So how you can get this option? First, you need to update your Snapchat because this is a new feature. You can see right here exclusive, experimental, and pre-release features. So what you can do is you can click on the Snapchat Plus once you get it after updating your Snapchat. You select it and then you click on subscribe. Once you subscribe, you will see that you will get a bunch of different new features such as changing your post view emoji, pinning your BFF, and more. So you will also be able to turn on your Snapchat Plus badge and also get a new Snapchat icon. So all of these features are available in Snapchat Plus. Go ahead and update your Snapchat right now and get this option, and you will also be able to get your Snapchat Plus badge. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.